I'm Haylea Mannebach, and today's November 2nd, 2022. I just have a little note card here with all of the things I'm supposed to hit, but that's it. So this is my dissected heart. This is the anterior side of the heart, and then this is the posterior. So if you're looking at it, the left side of the heart is on this side, and the right side of the heart's on this side. So if I go ahead and start on the right side of the heart, or I guess first, we have the interventricular septum that runs kind of diagonal here that separates the ventricles. And so on this side is the right side of the heart, and the right side, the right atrium is right up here. The inferior and superior vena cavas are kind of back here leading into the right atrium. Through the right atrium, the tricuspid valve connects the right atrium to the right ventricle. And then after the blood flows to the right ventricle, it'll go back through the pulmonic vein to the pulmonary veins leading to the lungs to get oxygenated. Right here is really nice. Those white tendons are the chordae tendineae that are connected to the papillary muscles here. So that's really good to see. And then going over to, so that was the right side of the heart here. Let's do it. So that was the right side of the heart. So now if we go over to the left side, up at the top we have the left atrium. What feeds into the left atrium is the pulmonary arteries with blood that was just oxygenated from the lungs. And then the left atrium is connected to the left ventricle via the mitral valve, also called the bicuspid valve, in between here. I had to cut through it to cut open the heart. And then it leads down here into the left ventricle. You can see the white tendae caudinae, or tendae caudinae at the bottom, connected to the papillary muscle. If you look on the side of the muscle here, you can see the epicardium, the myocardium's that like thick muscle in the middle, and then the endocardium is in the interior of the heart. It lines the inter areas of the heart, and it lines the valves as well. And then from the left ventricle, that leads into the aorta. So the aortic valve is going to be kind of deep in there, leading to the aorta that's on the top here. That's part of the aorta. The coronary arteries are on the, you can kind of see some of the markings for the coronary arteries on that front side of the heart here. And again, this is the interventricular septum separating the ventricles of the heart. And I think that's it.